Hello. So in this video I am going to be talking about good old Betty Dain The Fashionista Collection Deco Dots Shower Cap. But just to sum it all up, just the Betty Dain shower cap. Shower cap provides a stylish design and mold resistant PEVA lining, PEVA. PEVA lining, it's a vial that's made without chloride, and it makes it odorless, and which makes it waterproof, and it's less harmful than another type of vial that's out there. But anyway, you ain't have to worry about any of that harmful chemicals and stuff like that. And this cute little box, as you can see, it's the same type of designing. And on the back is just a waterproof nylon with mold resistance and biodegradable PEVA lining and oversized to fit thick or long hair, and it's provided in different languages. And I'm really assuming, because I didn't really see like a big branch of the company quarters and stuff like that, so I'm presuming that it's pretty much based from Miami, Florida. Oh my gosh, it's early, don't mind me. But yeah, for one, if you have thick and big hair, it is gonna fit. Just what I do, like when I'm wearing my hair big and it's curly, I like to like put in a ponytail and I'll tie it around and make it like a nice flat bun on my head, and then I'll, for extra protection, I don't know why I like doing this, but just put like a satin cap and then the shower cap on. It does fit, so you have, nothing to worry about as far as is it gonna fit like people with like thick and long hair on top of that. I know other shower caps that I've used, especially like the plastic ones. I mean, don't get me wrong, it works, but sometimes my edges and the back of my neck still tends to get some steam going on, and when my hair is straight, it reverts back to being curly or wavy, or revert back to something, if that makes sense. Like it's no longer straight, so it's a little puffy, a little curly. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just the times when I want to wear like a ponytail, I have to go over either with a flat iron or put gel on it. Sometimes I just want it to be like that nice slick straight look, if that makes sense. Like there's no product on it, it's just nice and smooth. But I can't get that when I don't have a good shower cap that would protect my hair from steam and water and so forth. Those shower caps are pretty much good for me when it comes to deep conditioners. But anyway, back to this shower cap. So Betty Dain, it said it was like for over 60 years, so they've been in the game for a very long time. They do have other shower caps as well. I just tend to get this one because I saw that other shower caps were gone, but this happened to be the one where I saw that a lot of people was grabbing. I actually had another Betty Dain shower cap, but it was a different collection. I think it was under a different collection, and then it started to loosen up a little bit, so I had to get another one. I had the shower cap now for about, I would say probably 4 months now, about a good 4 months, and it's been still got its shape, still holds up pretty well. I haven't really noticed anything loose yet. But what I can say about Betty Dain shower caps just completely is that it will keep my hair dry. Yeah, like this happens to be one of the best shower caps that I actually purchased and invested in. There are times when my hair tends to get a little wet, but that's because I'll be in the shower like extra long doing just extra stuff, and well, how can I put it? Then the back of my neck might get a little, just a tad wet, but not like super soaked, if that makes sense. Most of the times I, taking a shower, leave the door open and all that good stuff. So, and I think that's another thing too. Like if you have your door closed or open, that will help with steaminess too. But I've taken a shower with the door closed and open, and my hair still seemed to be straight. I guess it's just how I be roaming around in the shower, and if my hair gets wet and what I'm doing and so forth and all that good stuff. Yeah, and I mean, let me show you what it looks like. So this is the shower cap, as you can see, and then on the inside, that's what it looks like. The other one that I had was like a little fuzzy. It was like, I don't know, it felt like a warm material, but this one's more like like kind of like plastic, or if it was like compared to maybe like a shower curtain, if that makes sense. On the front side, it comes with this cute bow. So, you know, they try to make the shower cap like not look plain, just like cute, you know, like, oh, okay, I'm getting ready to take a shower, I'm gonna plop the shower cap on my head. But yeah, and I just take it off and I just hang it on one of my hangers for it to dry. Sometimes they get wet around the back area a lot. So I mean, like I said before, I really don't have any complaints about the shower cap at all. And they do have other designs that's under this collection as well. It's just that I just saw this one and I was like, okay, this is pretty cute with polka dots and stuff like that on it. So definitely check them out. I mean, it's their website right there, bettydain.com. So yep, this is the Betty Dain Deco Dots shower cap.